And this is one of the secrets of life. If you want to be entertained, if you want to be interested, if you want to look forward to work on Monday mornings, find an ideal, a goal bigger than yourself. If you see these circles of identification, where are you in these circles? The smallest circle is when you work for yourself. And that's okay. But the motivation that you get for working for yourself is limited. Because how much can you entertain yourself? The whole salary is to pay your bills. That's it. So we're not interested in the work. We're interested in what the work can do, which is pay the salary, pay the bills. And if there was an option, look, this month, you have a choice. You will get the salary, but you can choose to work or not work. How many will go to the office? Salary is there, but do you choose your work? And this is where, if we make it slightly bigger, all the difference. You find people who work for the family, how motivated they are. A family moves to a new country, has to set up from scratch. How much motivation to provide that platform for the children? I'm working for my family. So much more effort. But if we can expand ourselves to the community, something slightly bigger. In some buildings in India, and it may be here in Switzerland as well, you find the building not so well kept. But you go into the home, and the home is stunning, beautiful. But the very corridor, the apartment corridor, is shabby, not looked after. So the person has the eye for their home, but when it comes to the corridor, no, it's shared, it's not mine, it's okay, it doesn't matter. Their building, it's okay. It's okay if the rest of the building is not painted, is not maintained, not my problem. What if you change it? Just a little bit. Apply that thinking that you do for your apartment to the corridor, or if you can from the corridor to the building, from the building to the street. What a difference. And the same job that can tire you, bore you, becomes entertaining. And all it is a shift. You're not changing the work. Change the accent. A doctor sees a patient coming in. And when he sees the patient, what does he see? Holiday to Mallorca. Great, come. Or could the attitude be, how do I treat you so well that you never see me again? Not because he's a bad doctor or she's a bad doctor, but because looking to treat the person completely. Will not that person stay with the doctor? What a doctor. Where is the accent? So you're not changing the work, you're changing the why, you're changing the intention. Same thing when we're selling a product. Is it truly going to benefit the person buying it? And that difference people can feel. So even now, you don't know unless you can get into my mind, but perhaps you can feel it. What is my motive here? Is it to see how I can get more fame, more interest from Switzerland, Geneva? Or is it to share what has been useful in my life, my family? Is it to share something so practical? You can feel it. And when you can feel that, there's reciprocation. So let us try to stretch. Now, to go from working for oneself to working for all beings, for the community, society, sustainability, that's quite a jump. Start from where you are. If you're at yourself, a little bit bigger. There's a gentleman in Slovakia who got so inspired by this knowledge, this subject. He said, this wisdom, it's incredible. I want to share it with all my nephews and nieces. If any of you, nephews and nieces, would like to study this subject in India or online, I'll take care of it. So if you go to the Vedanta Academy, you'll find in India, at the Academy, 3 Slovakian girls doing the residential course. Incredible. But that's love. Not just my children, my nephews and nieces. Now he's thinking, why only people related to me? What if there is a deserving person who wants to study? Okay, I'll extend it to them too. So chew your capacity, chew your inspiration, stretch a little. See the difference. We will change TGIF. You have this in Switzerland? TGIF, what does it stand for? Thank God it's Friday. To TGIM. Thank God it's Monday. Imagine Monday morning, this morning, you wake up saying, great, let's do this, people. Come on. If you go to this, the main road is right here. This is actually a good vantage point. Let's have a look at all the people driving past. How many are smiling, looking forward to going to the office? Or coming back, looking forward to going home? Not many. I remember growing up, listening to the radio. Monday morning, the radio jockey is saying, oh, friends, it's okay. And I remember thinking as a child, what happened? No, we'll get through the week. It's okay. It's Monday morning, but together we can do it. What are you getting through? Life? Your choices? And then each day, Tuesday, Wednesday, oh, halfway there. Almost. We can do it, everybody. Thursday, almost there. Friday, nobody works. Already thinking about the weekend. And the French are pushing for extended weekend. 4-day work week. Incredible. Something you've chosen to do, you want to reduce. Change it. Work for something bigger.